Wait, where are we going? What did we try to beat next?
Let's see. We could do one of the farmhouses. Or actually, no. That camp. We could do the camp. We ain't been to the camp in a minute.
Maple Lodge or Camp Woodwind?
I guess we do the Maple Lodge.
Devil's Cabin.
This motherfucker over here on the treadmill. Where your treadmill? Just running.
Yeah, I was wondering.
Take a look at the equipment and prepare.
It's like when you would go into your journal, it did the same thing.
Nothing to report, but it looks like whoever was here left in a hurry.
Let's see. Take the flash.
This area near ghosts using incense. You take the ghost presence motion sensor.
I don't know. I don't think it's wise to take any of this. The EMF. Should we take the EMF? I don't know if we should take the EMF until we find out where it is, right?
The EMF helps us find where it is.
But the place is so crazy. It's a big ass place, I ain't gonna lie. Let's see. Let's save the temperature thing.
Oh yeah, there's that fucking...
Yeah, this place is fucking huge. Alright, I'm just rocking with the EMF for now then.
That's a camp house, that's why there's up and down. Gotta go to the house too. Into the darkness.
To the fire. MFT, who you be? Ghosty peas. Oh, I've never been to this map. I don't remember this map. Never been to this one. This one is a little different. Fucking bear cat. Oh shit! Oh! Let me catch a ghost. Let me catch a ghost in the bitch. It's over with. Yeah.
Hey buddy.
Huh? I found a bear
I
trap.
came from over here. You. Bear trap. Bear trap.
This shit is too dark. This is a different type of darkness.
Oh, the key's on the ground here. Oh, got it. Is thou in here? Give us a
Off the rip.
I wasn't asking for that type of sign.
Nothing. That's the outside. Going to the outside. This is the bathroom. There ain't no stairs or nothing down here. Nothing. Just a fucking balcony.
I thought there's another way up. Another way up.
It's crazy. So that's some of the circle is just there just for the fuck of it. Just for the fuck of it. Look like some Until Dawn. Oh crap. Mac! Mac! Ah! Look in the water.
What is that?
You don't know what the fuck that is?
Oh, that's Jason's mask.
So what is that? saying to yourself, what is that? The fucking most notorious murderer ever in this bitch. Who is that? Oh, nah. I hope no bears. Oh, my God. I hope no bears actually pop out in this bitch. That's gonna be crazy.
I found power.
Oh, that. I was about to say, it's too
We
dark.
passed it. This generator.
It's too dark.
This generator is power.
Nice. So we back. EMF.
Alright, I'm gonna put this over here. We haven't really been over here. And
Back. That's gonna be tough. The ghost gonna catch me playing around in the tent.
down around the campfire, cigarette campfire song. Yeah, Phasmaphobia, song. You don't fucking like it, you can get hit with a slow.
Because you are not alive anymore. Bum, bum, bum.
Oh. Didn't.
Oh, they don't want it.
I got insect. Fucking.
They don't want it. They don't want it in fucking whatever this is. They don't want it in that.
Oh, Meek, it's hunting. I can't turn it on.
Hmm?
Oh, I can't turn on the light. It's hunting. Yeah, I can't turn on this light.
I wouldn't even know where to begin to go to get away from the ghost.
Here.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to say. Shit, here, this is it.
I wonder where it's at. Still can't turn the light on. It's coming. It's over? It's over!
So, I think I heard it
Alright,
from
so
the right. Was it from the right or the left?
It's here.
Oh, here?
It's in here. Yeah.
This big old campfire now. Bigger one. S'mores. Oh, they don't want it. They don't want no campfire games with me. I'll make all the campers cry in this bitch. Beat your ass. Go to bed. Toilet tissue. I'm not liking this at all, Mr. Krabs. Breaker 19, come in, Mac. Where you at?
Behind you.
Okay.
I went to go get a cross, and I came back, and the thing was locked. So I was like, what the fuck?
Oh, this shit was haunting me. I'm sitting here oblivious as shit. I'll be honest, I don't even know what
I think it's still haunting. I hear steps.
It sounds like writing to me.
Yeah, I can't even turn the light on and off, so he's haunting. Damn, that was quick.
Tent. I'm in the tent.
He's by the door. He's by the exit.
That's where he's at. Oh, by the, okay. Was it back that way or through the house? I forget.
This way. It's through here. Come on. Oh, I got cold temperatures. That's that freezing breath right there.
I ain't getting no EMF whatsoever. I'm not thinking this thing is gonna pop up on the EMF, so switch that out. I'll get the temperature reader. Parabolic? Yeah, I'll go parabolic.
We gotta take our things.
Oh my gosh, we're fucking insane.
I put a cross in there.
Let's see what we got here.
Yes, sir.
Can you speak? Are you here? What's your name?
Right here.
Is that? Oh yeah, that's you.
There's my picture.
Where are you? Show us. Can you speak? Are you here?
Right here.
What do you want?
There we go.
Fucking dot scared the shit out of me. Are you here? What do you want? Do you want to sing a campfire song? Alright, I'm putting this down. This shit scared me. This shit scared me. You fucking little ass noise just keep scaring me. Oh, Mac, I found a femur or something. Pelvis, whatever it is.
Huh?
Bones.
Bones?
Bones.
Elvis.
Pelvis.
Elvis. So,
Well, we just gonna chalk it down and this is where it is then. So we gonna set up camp here.
this is right at the entrance.
Yeah, there too, right?
Gross. We get the spirit bug. And yeah, we gotta get the other dots.
Get a book.
Huh?
I
Okay.
don't know if the fingerprints is gonna work.
What?
Put this one here. And then put the other one on the other side. And just get them from both sides. How about that? That's how spooky out. Put it right here. Put it right here so I can try to get up on the dots at least. Put the book down. Put the book here. Yeah, put the book there. Put it right there. Oh no, what's that? What was that? What was that? You heard that?
No. Door didn't close. It might have been a cross burning. I put a cross over here. Where'd it go? I know I put a cross somewhere in here. There it is. No, that's not burned.
I don't know what that was. That sounded off.
Not hunting. Actually.
Let's see what else. Probably grab the
Billy Chipman. That's his name. I didn't even look.
I
Hey boy!
don't think I need the camera.
Put a little picture of this.
I don't know how to use this. How do you use this one?
The sound. The text sound. You place it down and like you gotta place it down on this thing I think. Well, if you start, bro, so I got motherfucking incense in here.
Creep with me. Can you speak? Can you show us something? Can you do something? Can you move something? Can you shake it? Can you shake it to your right? Can you shake it to your left? Can you make it go up? Can you make it come back?
Fingerprints! Fingerprints! Fingerprints!
Where?
We got fingerprints
Where?
over here.
Oh, shit.
Take a little picture. Oh, it's hunting. It's right there.
Run like your life depends on it, bitch! Ah! bathroom.
Taking a poop. Is it over? Nope, it's not. The lights are still on.
Shit, Russell.
Alright, it's over. Leave that light on. Bathroom light. Alright, so who's in the house?
Yeah. Just gotta move everything over there. We got the fingerprints already, and then we just need to get. No! 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 Yeah, I'm alive, stupid. What you got? What you got? You ain't nothing. You ain't shit. You ain't nothing. You ain't bad. You ain't nothing. Oh no. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. I can't tell. I thought I heard footsteps. Couldn't tell. I don't know. Light? Okay, we got lights. Alright, I need to hurry up and get out of here. Oh, I need to hurry up and get out of here. Oh shit. Oh, you're still alive! Oh man, I thought you died!
I was locked outside!
I thought you died!
It shut the gate right as soon as I got up to it.
Oh shit! Oh fuck!
I was trying to get more incense. I threw the incense inside.
Oh shit! Nah, we gotta go.
Yeah, get fucking smoked, bitch.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
That nigga got smoked. That nigga walked up on me too. He was like, I'm gonna smack the shit out you, boy.
Yeah, he passed right by me and just went to you. I think you pissed him off more.
I don't give a fuck. That's these hands.
Yeah, I haven't checked the EMF yet. I was just about to go grab it, as a matter of fact. But we got freezing temps. We got freezing temps, and we got the ultraviolet.
Yeah, but that's not enough.
Just need one more.
I'm gonna go check something.
It's between a demon, a Hantu, a Jinn, or a Mimic. It might be a Jinn again. And then the demon is just what? Will initiate hunts more than other ghosts. We need ghost riding for that. And then we need an EMF level 5 for a Jinn. A Hantu and the Mimic. What do we need for that? Okay, I don't think it's a Hantu. And it could still be a Mimic. But we need that on the spirit box. Alright, so we need either EMF level 5, ghost riding, or on the spirit box. Alright, so we need to get either EMF level 5, we need to get a spirit box, or we need it to write in the book to determine which one it is. For me, it's between the demon, the mimic, and Jinn.
Might be the mimic.
Yeah, I was thinking the mimic. Well, I'm not sure. I just want to see if we can't get the ghost writing or the what's the name? I think the spirit box or the EMF.
Waiting for us.
Wait, you have a spirit box on you?
Oh, I have a spirit box on the ground in there. He's waiting for us.
Alright.
He's gonna clap our cheeks. He's in here. He's in here.
Level 5.
Wait for me! Don't abandon me!
Oh, it's a gin. It's a good old ginny gin.
I'm leaving. Fuck. Ginger. Ginger.
That was quick. that was quick as well.
Yeah, we don't gotta do this shit again. Ha 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 ha!
Welcome back.
Yes,
I can
sir.
prepare
Got
jobs for you.
ourselves a gin. That boy was kind of aggressive. I ain't even gonna lie. He was a little. It was a little something.
I don't know.